So today I'm going to be making my first two leaves. It didn't turn out the greatest, but I think if I had a little bit bigger piece of stock, because it started out about like that, and here's kind of what I ended up with. That was my second one, and this is my first one. And I think the biggest issue is because of the size of the piece, I anticipated the shoulders would be back a little bit further than they were, but I just didn't have enough material. Ended up this piece was thick, and this was very thin. And then this one, I actually quit because it started cracking, like right here. So I decided not to thin this out anymore and curl it like I was gunning. And then I also cut both of these off, and this one still turned out this long. So, I guess you live and you learn. That's about it. I'm just going to show you guys the process of me kind of making these, and hopefully I'll make some more forging videos later, and I'll have learned a little bit more. I think I forgot a lot over the winter of just stuff that I watched online and learned, but yep, I think that's it for today, and thanks for watching. So here we go, starting off with our other piece here. And I'll just show you how I get this hot, because I'm literally just using a pair of pliers instead of tongs, which isn't the best thing. And we'll just kind of find some coals, stick that down in there, try and cover it up. I kind of let it die off, probably a little bit more than I should have, but I didn't know if I was going to be done or not. Didn't want to waste a ton of wood, so go ahead and try and get it covered up. And I also don't have a very good shady spot, but I literally just been taking this piece of cardboard here and just